Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Today I share 3 Filipino favorites. First is a halo-halo, is a cold dessert. Second is a banana, sweet street snack. And third is a hopia, is a tasty, creamy and sweet. So let's go guys. So I will go to the Sugod and I buy halo-halo, banana and hopia. So let's go guys. Today we're going to be a food critic, Sugod Cebu. So say the most famous Filipino delicacy, halo-halo. Same time, but so my rate is 10/10 because very delicious niya, sweet siya niya, sweet. Very sweet niya. Very delicious. So guys, this is a pinaypay at here, Sugod Cebu. It's okay. It's good. My rating is 10/10. Like a sweet banana. More sugar. This is a papaya or pinaypay. Sweet banana. Yeah, more than sugar. So guys, this is our next delicacy, hopia to Sugod Cebu. This tastes like a mango. It's good. Yummy. My rate is 9.9. Like a mango flavor. Filipino hopia. This is a Filipino hopia. This is a Filipino hopia, the most famous of Filipino. This is good. That's all guys. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget like, share, subscribe my video and see you next time guys. Bye.